Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I'm very happy to be here today and to have you here on this platform. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is created as a means to share with you my online ideas on how to make some money for yourself. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made 36,000 Naira. 36,000, not 1, not 2, not 5, not 5, not 10, not 20, not 30, but 36,000 Naira, which is approximately $70 approximately $70 within a very short period of time. So I will be sharing with you step by step on how I make on how I made it done, and I will be showing you the platform, that particular platform whereby I am able to gather this to make this money in a very short period of time. So I would like to tell you that you can make money online. Yes, it is very possible, but one thing is that you need to have a proper information. You need to have a good information about how you are going to diversify your economy, how, that is, which company, which platform are you going to invest online. It is very important. It's very important. So that is the reason why you need to watch this video to the very end, so that you can know the company that I will be showing you, whereby I personally am making money online for myself on daily basis. All right, so that is what I will be sharing with you today. But before I do that, once again, this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK channel, and in this channel I give you financial education at its peak. So I'm bringing down to your doorstep financial education. So this channel is created to share with you some ways whereby I personally make money online, and also to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments, for you not to venture into such and lose your hard-earned money at the end of the day. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I'm dropping a video like this, a training and educational video like this. All right, and if you have any question concerning this video or any of the videos on LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, you can contact me through my email address or through my phone contacts or through my WhatsApp contacts. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping some financial educational content on a frequent basis. All right, and also after you have watched this video, you found it to be very meaningful, then don't limit it to yourself alone. Try as much as possible to share with your friends and family, for them also to be a partaker of the blessings being shared on this channel. All right, so once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. So let me take you to the platform. And once again, what we are considering today is how I made 36,000 Naira, that is $70 within a very short period of time. So without wasting our time, let me take you to the platform. So this is the platform here, as you can see, $72, as you can see in my affiliate wallet. In my trade wallet, I have 53.83. So I made more than 36,000 Naira that I showed you. I made more than $70 that I showed you. You can see my balance here. I have over $100, 127 to be precise. Let's do some calculation. Right now. $1 is around 520 Naira. 520 Naira. So 520 times 72 in my affiliate wallet, that is 37,440. 37,440. So that is what I have presently, and in my total balance, as in my affiliate wallet rather, I have 37,440 in my affiliate wallet, and in my trade wallet I have, let me cancel this, in my trade wallet I have 53 multiplied by 520. Okay, so that is 27,560. 27,560. So $1 is approximately 520 Naira. All right, because I'm doing the calculation in Nigerian currency, which is Naira. All right, so this is what I have in my trade wallet, and in my affiliate wallet I have over 36,000 Naira there. So I will be showing you how I'm making this. This is TRADEUNOS. I've done several videos on TRADEUNOS. You can check the platform, sorry, you can check the channel. There are several videos on TRADEUNOS that I've done in the past, so just take your time to watch any of them, and if you have any question concerning them, you can message me. So this one here, how earn passive income daily for a year starting from 25 capital, is a video on TRADEUNOS. And likewise this one, how I am making how I am making $1.6. okay, let me take you to the videos. Sorry, so I am making $1.6 is also there. This video, you can watch it, is also on TRADEUNOS. So let me take you back to the platform. So in TRADEUNOS, there are several packages whereby you can invest. You can invest in gold, forex, cryptocurrency, and crude oil. So I invested in the forex plan, and in the forex plan, the minimum investment now is $200. So it was initially $50. That was when I invested, when it was $50. As you can see here, my capital is $50. As you can see, my capital is $50. So I invested when the forex plan minimum investment was $50. So I invested there. But now there has been another opportunity for those of you that don't even have up to $50 to invest. So Omega plan has been put in place, so and you can invest as little as $25 in this Omega plan. But for forex plan, the minimum investment is $200. And in gold, let me take you to the breakdown of the investments. Let me take you to the trading plans. All right, trading plans. Okay, these are the trading plans. We have forex, we have gold, we have crude oil, and we have cryptocurrency. So depending on your own financial ability. So these are the initial trading plan in TRADEUNOS. You can see forex, gold, crude oil, and cryptocurrency. So and the duration for forex is 90 days. The minimum investment is $200, and the maximum is $4,999. That is $4,999. And in forex, you earn 1.6% daily. 1.6% daily. As you can see here in my dashboard, I am earning 1.6% daily. 1.6% daily of my investment. You can see 0.833. that is 1.6% of $50, which is my capital. Let me show you again. 50 times 1.6%. You can see 0.8. You can see 0.83. So you earn 0.83. I earn 0.83 on daily basis. So if you go for the forex plan, you will earn 1.66%, and that will last for 90 days. At the end of the 90 days, you are going to earn 1.5x. That is, you are going to earn 50% profit of your capital. So if you invested $200, you are going to earn $300 at the end of 90 days. But if you go for the gold, the minimum investment there is $5,000, and the maximum is $24,999, as you can see here. And the duration is 180 days, working days to be precise. And this one, it will use 3.5x. That is, you are going to earn 3.5 times of your initial capital, whereby you earn 1.94% daily, and in week you earn 9.7%. And we also have crude oil and cryptocurrency trading plans. In crude oil, the minimum investment is $25,000 and the maximum is $49,999. And while in crypto, the biggest one, the minimum investment is $50,000, and while the maximum is $500,000. And in the crypto, you earn 4.5x after 180 days, and in crude oil you earn 2 times after 90 days. So this is how it goes. But because many people, they can't afford this plan, they can't afford all this plan, so that is why TRADEUNOS come about with a new plan of Omega, Omega plan. So you see you can invest as little as $25. As you can see here, you can invest as little as $25. So when you have $25, you are going to earn on daily basis, and the investment and the daily ROI on this is between 0.8 to 1% daily, and you are going to earn it for 1 year. You can earn it for 1 year, and in this Omega plan, you can withdraw your capital after 45 days. You can withdraw your capital after 45 days, but in the other plans, your capital will stay there till the end of your capital will stay there till the end of your investment period rather. So that is how it goes. So you can invest $25, as little as $25 in the Omega plan of TRADEUNOS trading plan. So that is how it goes. So I have tested, and I can say I really trust this investment platform, which is called TRADEUNOS, because I've already withdrew $12. You can okay, let me see if I can show you here. I've already withdrew $12 in the past. Let me take you to my withdrawal deposit history. It has been a while, but I'm very sure. Okay, let me go back. So deposit withdrawal history, not in the last 30 days. Okay, in the last, okay, let me choose in the last 90 days. Okay, type I withdrew $12 in Bitcoin. $12 in Bitcoin. Okay, let me go to the second page. Okay, you can see I withdrew on the 7th of June 2021, and you can see here I withdrew 0.0026. Oh, okay, let me check here. I'm just trying to show you my last withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal log. So I've withdrawn $12 before. Okay, so and it was approved. That was May 24. Okay, May 24. So let me go to the third page. May 24th. Okay, this is it here. So it's dropped on the 25th of May here, 0.002978. So let me take you here. Can see this Bitcoin, it dropped there. It is $12. So the date is May 24, and it dropped in my account on May 25. Very early on May 25, as you can see, in the early hour of May 25, it dropped. So I'm very assured, I am confident in this company. So, and I'm going to try to initiate another withdrawal now. I will initiate another withdrawal now. So I want to withdraw my affiliate bonus. I want to withdraw my affiliate bonus in this investment. So you can see I have 72. So let me go. Okay, this is my address. So okay, let me pause this video for a bit so that I can input my PIN. So I have input my PIN, so I will now submit. So your withdrawal request is sent to admin successfully. It has been sent to the admin successfully. So in a very short period of time, it's going to drop into my account. So it's going to drop in my account in a very short period of time. So that is how it goes, and I'm going to do a second part of this video. So when it dropped in my account, I will show you how I earned from this particular company. So I won't like this video to be very lengthy. If you are still contemplating, actually this channel, my channel is about financial education. Whatever I'm doing here is for financial education, and you can also do your own due diligence research before you venture into anything online. But as for me, you can see this is how some of the ways whereby I personally make money for myself. And if you are also interested in it, I will be dropping the registration link for you so that you can also earn from my team. So that all this money that I earn is not that I refer them by myself. I also enjoy spillover from my upline, so that you too can also enjoy spillover from this same network that I have. You can register through the link that I'll be dropping in the description box of this video. All right, so I'll be dropping a registration link there, so just feel free to check it. And if you have any question, again, you can contact me through my available phone contact here, my email address, my WhatsApp contact, and also join our Telegram channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Thanks from the beginning of the video to the very end. Thanks for watching. All right, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very important, very important, so that you will be continually aware whenever I drop another educational content, another financial educational video like this, so that you are not going to miss out. All right, and once again, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from the information that you just received. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Stay fit and healthy. Bye for now.